No, wait a minute, it's too loud. 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you guys, because I don't want to yell. Right? So, superhero, remember, be brave. And also speak up in the classroom. If you don't know how to do the work, make sure you talk with your teachers. Make sure you're brave and you raise your hand and get help, okay? Because remember, superheroes, all of you can be the smartest kid in the class. And the way that we do that is by raising our hand and asking for help if we don't know the answer. We have to be brave, superheroes, okay? And brave to speak up if somebody's hurting you or hurting someone you know. Always, always be brave. Speak up, speak up, speak up. How many adults do we tell? 3. That's right, superheroes. 3. Okay, so I'll see everybody next month. Have an amazing Thanksgiving break. Okay, holiday break. And remember, when we come back, be kind to yourself and to each other so I can get out lots and lots of goodies. All right? All right, superheroes. I'll see you guys later.
Subscribe and click the bell button.